Lesson C5, Intermediate Calculations. Topic 1, Overview of Calculation Functions. The lesson objective here is to understand the different calculations available for making virtual time series. To add a calculation to a page, you use the add tag function, and it's available as a tab here with a calc builder. You click build calc and then you get access to all the different functions. There's 27 different functions within Ingenuity for making calculations. They're listed alphabetically, but actually they break into 6 different groups. We have basic maths functions, functions themselves, statistics, totalisers, logical functions, and series conditioning functions. The basic maths functions are like add, divide, multiply, subtract, where you've just got 2 or more different time series sources and you're looking to do a basic operation on them. Add them together, subtract them. Functions allow you to apply a function to a series, and usually it's a single series. So you can take its differential, you can do the exponent of each point in the time series. Statistics allow you to do statistics between series. So max allows you to take the max between 2 or more different series. Totalisers allow you to integrate a series, and we have 2 different ones. Logical functions allow you to do things like if one tag is 0, say, then display another tag. So you say if this condition is true, do this, otherwise do this. And finally, we have series conditioning, which allow you to cleanse the way a series is displayed. So, for example, stepped allows you to force the calculation to consider the data as stepped forward. That's particularly important for things like digitals and other things you can do like time shifting. We're going to go through each of these different groups separately and in some detail in the following topics. And then at the end, we're going to do some worked examples. Now, we're not going to go through every single calculation and do a worked example, but I've selected 7 here that are worth looking at in more detail because they contain important things to know about, and also they're good examples of the other things within their groups. One important point to note about the calculation historian is that it's recursive. This means that calculations can be done on calculations. So, for example, you could totalize an addition that is adding together a multiplication with another raw tag. So as we go through these topics, bear this in mind that you can use one function before passing the result to another. So for example, you might use a data cleansing function to take spikes out or to make an average and then pass it on to a totalize or something else, or like a time shift and then totalize a time shift. So bear that in mind. Now let's look at each of the different groups in detail.